Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, I have got a new junk journal kit in an altered box that I want to share with you today, and you'll be able to find this in my Etsy shop. So this is a box that I have added. I made this little book plate, and I made this little fabric flower, and I've just added some goodies and scrapbook papers. It's all grunged up. It's inked and everything. So let's look inside, and I'm going to show you what all I've put in here. I put a little ribbon pull, so that's how you will open the box. I've decorated the inside of the lid here. And then it is packed full of goodies. This pack here has some dictionary pages, some music pages, and some different pages, Kool-Aid dyed and vintage looking papers, and just different things in here. So that's got a stack of papers in there for you to use any way you want to. And this kit, all you need to add is your junk journal cover and your pages. And see, you can use these for some of your pages. Y'all, I have glue all over my hands. I apologize if you see that. That is glue that it's that Fabri-Tac, and it don't wash off. It's not water soluble. But anyway, okay, so here is some fabric ribbon pieces. Here's a big chunk of lace that I put in there. It comes with these two beautiful boho beads. So let's pull those out, and they are attached to a bulb pin. This boho bead is a giant paper bead that I made and just wrapped my wire and stuff around it. So that goes in this little bag, and this just has the little drawstring closure. I just wanted to keep those nice and separated. Okay, so here is one of the altered paper clips that I made, and it's just holding this little stack of tags and cards together. This is a vellum envelope that I made, and it has some goodies inside of it. So inside the vellum, I've got these two safety pins with little beaded dangles and crystals. And what you do is you punch two little bitty holes in one of your pages or fabric. You can use your fabric, and you just attach these to your pages. So it's just a little extra embellishment. I'll put that back in a minute. This is another altered paper clip, so you can put that anywhere you want, and some sari silk. And this is just a little trifold booklet I added in here, and it has these two little tags here. So I just kind of put them in there, and then that goes back like that. This is a stack of tags and journaling cards, and these right here, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but I corrugated these little tags here. And I've done some stamping. I did some rubber stamping on different ones just for fun, just to kind of give you a starting place. And there's you another paper clip. This altered paper clip is like a little miniature envelope, and it has this little book in it. It doesn't really come out because I didn't want you to lose it, but you can see there's the other part of the paper clip. So we've just got some more tags and things that I've stamped in there. This is just a strip of lace edging. You could go down one of your page edges with that. These guys here, I think I did 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 5. Okay, 5. These are pockets, and I'm going to show you how they work. You put them on your page. You glue here, here, and here, and you put that down on your page, and then this part's open, but it gives you just a little more room to put things in there, as opposed to just gluing it flat without the little flaps on the back. So that's 5 different little pockets. This one right here is an expandable pocket. So again, you glue here, here, and here, but then this part's glued down, so this pocket actually expands, so it would hold a little more goodies. So let's put that there. Here's a little miniature envelope, And in here, I've just added some die cuts, some just beautiful die cut pieces. There's another one, a little heart down in there for your journal. This is a book page, a very vintage book page envelope. And inside of it is some more die cuts and some stamping and just things for you to use in your journal. This is an envelope that I made, and it's full of larger die cut pieces, just different shapes and things that you can make pockets and tags and paper clips and whatever you want to make out of those. This, let me see. Okay, this one is a little matchbook. So I've just stapled it here at the bottom, and it just opens like that for journaling places. Or sometimes I'll put like a little miniature notepad in there, little sticky notes. If you wanted to, you could do that. Over here is let me show you why I did these this way. This is a little fold over booklets, and I punched a heart out so it creates a window. So whatever you do inside here, you'll be able to see it through the window. So that is there. Here's a little stamp that says priceless, and this is just a little expanding booklet. This is just a little booklet. This is a little booklet. So is this. This one, actually, I was thinking it would go this way, but I mean, you can do it any way you want to, and that just kind of wraps over like that. All right, so let's put all this back over here. Let's see, the matchbook wasn't in that stack, but it doesn't matter. Not that it matters. Then this is an envelope I made. Believe it or not, this is wallpaper. It's some kind of a seagrass something. I don't know, but it was in a wallpaper book. I thought it was so cool. And then that just looked so beautiful on there. And inside of here, you've got some more tags. You've got some little pieces, little shapes and little die cuts, and so that's just full of goodies also. Then these guys are the outside of your die cuts, and I decided that's not trash, these are frames. So I cut all of these into a shape that you can just frame something on your page. So I thought that would be a lot of fun. I've got my stamp down in the bottom. And then these guys here are the same thing. These are tags with windows. So, you know, whatever you put behind it is going to show through. You could put a cute little bird. Look how cute that would be. You could put a bird behind that window on your page. You can attach this to your page and make it into a pocket. Or you could actually fold it in half and make a little booklet with a window. So, and here's some different shapes. So this is what all you get in this kit, and like I said, you'll find it in my Etsy shop. So y'all come and visit me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.